Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm showing you how to create a perfectly smooth, bakery-style cheesecake at home. First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grab a 25-centimeter springform pan, grease the base, and line the sides with parchment paper. For the crust, add your graham crackers, 12 grams of sugar, and melted butter into a food processor. Pulse until the mixture looks like wet sand. Pour the crumbs into your pan and press them down firmly into an even layer. Bake the crust for 8 to 10 minutes, just until it turns lightly golden. Then set it aside to cool completely. Once the crust is cool, check the sides of the pan. If the parchment has shifted, line it again so the filling stays smooth. Now for the filling. In a large bowl, beat your cream cheese, 400 grams of sugar, and a pinch of salt until it's smooth, fluffy, and lump-free. Add the heavy cream and mix until combined. Then add the sour cream, flour, and the seeds from a vanilla pod. Mix again until everything is silky. Next, add the eggs one at a time, mixing gently after each one. Don't overmix. That's the secret to avoiding cracks. Pour the filling over your cooled crust. To bake it gently, wrap the outside of the pan tightly in foil. Place it into a larger baking dish and pour in boiling water until it reaches about 2 centimeters up the sides. This water bath keeps the cheesecake creamy. Bake for 1 hour. When the time is up, turn off the oven, but don't open the door. Let the cheesecake rest inside for another hour. And now is the time for the jam. There's nothing like the taste of homemade jam. Let's turn fresh or frozen berries into this stunning wild berry jam with just a few simple steps. It's rich, sweet, and incredibly easy. Let's get started. First, we prep our fruit. If you've got frozen berries, just let them thaw slightly before you start. You'll see it start to pull out all those amazing natural juices. After that quick rest, we'll pour in the water and let it reach a boil to get everything moving. Bring your berries to a boil over medium heat. You'll want to stir frequently to keep everything moving. Once it hits a rolling boil, reduce the heat slightly and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Keep stirring often so it doesn't stick to the bottom. After that, take it out, run a knife around the edge to loosen it, and let it cool. Then cover it and refrigerate it overnight so it sets perfectly. The next day, remove it from the pan, peel off the parchment, and you're ready to slice into the creamiest cheesecake you've ever made. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to Vasse Meze for more delicious recipes.